Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD USD carries Friday AUS gains below 0.7200 amid mixed closed. ntvforex.com news ID 7F094E 4 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. AUD USD keeps the late Friday range between 0.7160 and 0.7180. Virus woes in Australia. US-China trade tussle joins recently downbeat China data to weigh on the Aussie. US dollar grinds down as stimulus deadlock, pandemic dominate over welcome economic figures. No major data from Australia, the US highlights news headlines as a market driver. AUD USD takes rounds to 0.717580 at the start of the week as trading on Monday. The Aussie pair fails to portray any decisive move while staying near the upper end of the late Friday's trading range between 0.7160 and 0.7180. Although broad US dollar weakness should have underpinned the quote, coronavirus COVID-19 worries at home joins risk-negative catalysts to disappoint the buyers. Disappointments are hard to ignore, but nobody cares be it a steady rise in Australia's COVID-19 numbers or the latest Sino-American tussle that resulted in the postponement of trade deal review, not to forget dismal figures from China and dovish RBA, there prevail many negative factors that should have taken a toll on the quote. However, nothing of that sort happens as the AUD-USD prices remain mostly unchanged in a 70 pip range under 0.7200 mark. The reason could be traced from the market's expectations of the pandemic's cure and the resulted cautious moves. The US and China postponed their scheduled biannual review of the trade deal performance, up for Saturday, without giving any future dates. The reasons cited were asking for more time to check China's buying of agricultural products and scheduled conflicts. On the other hand, Australia's Victoria continues to be a reason for the worries at home. The latest count suggests 279 new cases, with 16 deaths, due to the deadly virus in the second populous state. This resulted in an extended state of emergency until September 13. Talking about data, China's industrial production contrasted with the American activity numbers, but the US retail sales equaled the case on Friday. Against this backdrop, gold and equities stayed pressured, whereas the US 10-year Treasury yield seesawed around 0.70%. Looking forward, the economic calendar in Australia is mostly quiet and there are no major releases from the US, except for Empire State Manufacturing Index, expected 16.5 versus 17.2 prior. As a result, traders will have to watch risk catalysts closely in any clear direction. Technical analysis: while 0.7200 restricts the pair's immediate upside, a 21-day SMA level of 0.7150 becomes the near-term key support to watch. Additional important levels overview: today last price 0.7178, today daily change 8 pips, today daily change percent 0.11%, today daily open 0.717, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 0.7148, daily SMA 50 0.7015, daily SMA 100 0.6733, daily SMA 200 0.6712, NBSP levels: previous daily high 0.7177, previous daily low 0.7131, previous weekly high 0.719, previous weekly low 0.7108, previous monthly high 0.7228, previous monthly low 0.6876, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 0.7159, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 0.7149, daily pivot point S1 0.7142, daily pivot point S2 0.7113, daily pivot point S3 0.7096, daily pivot point R1 0.7188, daily pivot point R2 0.7205, daily pivot point R3 0.7234, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.